Guys, welcome back to another sled pulling video, and honestly this is the coolest event that we went to all year. We went up to the Werhli Custom Fab 10-year anniversary pull last night in DeKalb, Illinois. Awesome event, 85 or so hooks that were actually made, and they made it just go flawlessly the entire time. So it was actually a ton of fun to be there, a ton of fun to be a part of as well. So unfortunately, neither of the trucks that we took up there actually came home intact. As you can see, including my own, there's a jack on the floor underneath it here, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Unfortunately, Aaron's truck is having some transmission issues, so he was not able to make a very good pass. He only waited about 20 or so feet before it started having issues there. And I was able to make a full pass, but at the end of the pass, we did end up breaking, and I'll show you exactly what happened here. So if you listen to that video that I'll post here in just a second, you can hear a snap right when I'm letting off the turbo. I heard it as well, trust me. And it turns out that we believe that we snapped an axle off, and I'll show you why. So if you see here, normally when you spin one of your wheels, the opposite side will spin with it because they're both locked together, right? But if you break an axle shaft, you can spin this all you want, and the other side's not moving whatsoever. Put the truck in two-wheel drive, it won't move at all. The drive shaft spins, but neither side gets any power. So the only way I was able to get it onto the trailer was actually to put it in four-wheel drive. We were able to limp it home, get it in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing pulled apart here in the upcoming week here, hopefully, and get it back on the road. But that's what we've got. That being said, we obviously still had a great time. There's a lot of really heavy hitters up there in Northern Illinois. The ISP guys put on a great show, and they've got a lot of really great guys in that club. And so we had a great time, met a lot of really great guys, and all together just really had a great experience up there. So obviously we are now done for the year. It is the middle of September. We're probably going to start harvest here this coming week here very, very quickly. So we are done sled pulling for the year, which is actually kind of a good thing here as we now need time to get these trucks back on the road. I'm hoping to get some new axles in it here within the week, maybe in 2 weeks. Kind of looking into some different options, whether to go stock or go with a stock replacement that's stronger. We'll just kind of see what happens. I'm not sure yet, but I'll definitely make a video of pulling those out, taking a look at them, putting new ones in and that kind of stuff. But other than that, guys, there's a ton of awesome content. There was a ton of breakage at this event, which is not obviously very good, but it's fun to watch. So enjoy the video.
Take it on Instagram, do it for the gram. What a beautiful night we have in Northern Illinois. All right, here comes gentleman Reed. 273.6. Tell you what, those friendly fans, here we go. swerved at the end because it was just dragging. He's hopping. He's dropping. One of our gold sponsors today. To see him come on back. He's got a burned out Duramax. Comes all the way from right out of Illinois. Suncoast was. He's got a hood stack on this on a stock class. Look out. Hey, get some points for making noise. 198. Stay right with it. Beautiful. Get that trucker burn. Oh, he's got it. Look out. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, get rid of the mosquitoes over here. Nice job, nice job. I think it was Chris Emke's truck at one time. Duramax tuner calibrated power truck. They are a gold sponsor. This is an 06 dog. Hey, you got us, man. You got it. Is that right? My goodness. I'm going to close one eye and see the next. Tell you what, they come down to make some noise here in Illinois. Make some noise for them. 289. Here comes the young lady Olivia. Hey, not bad, not bad. There it is. Like I said, it's on the wrong gear. Stop right there.